Creating daily reports, and their associated activity logs, is one of the most important tasks performed by project superintendents. As their name implies, project reports are created daily, and are used as a primary source of job site and activity information for many roles associated with a project, including the project owner, all levels of management, and various legal and regulatory roles. Due to their significance, maintaining a superior level of accuracy and detail in daily reports is critical. Each daily log within the report must clearly identify whether its associated tasks are on track, or if there is any potential for a task to experience a delay. Many superintendents make it part of their daily routine, and create logs and reports throughout the day, while others carve out some time at the end of each day to input information into their daily report, so as not to impede the requirement for the next day. Let's look at this information in more detail. A project schedule defines the plan for any given day on a project, but it is up to the project superintendent to report whether actual daily activity aligns with the project schedule, and to document activity progress. Superintendents use daily reports to accomplish this very important task. At a high level, the daily report will detail general information about a project, including major milestones, daily weather conditions, number of people on site, and more. The daily report also contains a daily log for each subcontractor doing work on the project that day. A project schedule drives every daily activity, and it is your job to identify whether each activity defined on the schedule is being done according to plan. Project superintendents create daily logs to identify if a specific task has been started, as well as how much progress has been made on tasks already underway. Superintendents also identify when tasks have been completed. Along the way, pictures are taken to give all interested parties a first-hand look at activity progress, and detailed notes are created to explain important aspects of the operation. Let's take a look at how this information is managed in Endeavour. With a rain gauge, and accurate readings are important. Rain amounts resulting in delays should be noted in general comments. In this illustrated example, notice how the comments explicitly identify the amount of rainfall, as well as the impact to the project. As you'll learn shortly, you may also add photographs to a project. In the case of a rain delay, be sure to add a photo of the rain gauge, as well as any notable project issues resulting from the wet conditions, as seen here. Likewise, accurate temperature readings must be taken 3 times daily, and are useful if specific temperature ranges are required for certain tasks to be completed. Finally, the daily report must identify the number of company personnel on site, as well as the number of yards of concrete poured that day. Scrolling back to the top, we see the Create button, which allows us to create a new daily report. We also see the familiar Basics tab, which provides access to project-level information. Additionally, we see a tab for daily logs, which will be used to create and manage activity logs for the current daily report, and a Photographs tab, which will display all progress photos and associated notes. You'll learn much more about daily logs and progress photos in subsequent modules. The Area Diaries tab is used to create notes for specific areas in larger projects, and to identify the number of people working in that specific area. This tab is not used for all projects. The Deliveries tab allows for scheduled deliveries to be marked complete. You may also attach delivery tickets to a delivery using the Attachments button seen here. For example, concrete tickets are managed by attaching them to the delivery. This process is often handled by a project engineer. To mark a delivery complete, simply scroll down and select the delivery to mark complete, or click the New Delivery button for deliveries not already listed. Complete the delivery record by noting the value of the delivery and attaching a picture of the delivery receipt. Finally, we see the familiar Comments tab, which provides access to general comments and attachments not tracked elsewhere. Let's start by creating a new daily report.